Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Trip and interactive retrieving inferring data imputation approach. Coming to our abstract, data imputation means filling in missing attribute values in database. Most existing imputation method to string attributes values are inferring based approaches, which usually fail to reach a high imputation recall by just inferring missing values from the complete part of the dataset. Recently, some retrieval based methods are proposed to retrieve missing values from external resources such as the World Wide Web, which tend to reach a much higher imputation recall, but inevitably bring a large overhead by issuing a large number of search queries. In this paper, we investigate the interaction between the inferring based methods and the retrieving based method. We show that retrieving a small number of selected missing values can greatly improve the imputation recall of the inferring based methods. With this introduction, we propose a interactive retrieving inferring data imputation approach TRIP, which performs retrieving and inferring alternatively in filling in missing attribute values in the data. To ensure the high recall at the minimum cost, TRIP faces a challenge of selecting the least number of missing values for retrieving to maximum the number of inferable values. Our proposed solution is able to identify an optimal retrieval inferring scheduling scheme in determining data imputation DDI, and the optimality of the generated scheme is theoretically analyzed with proofs. We also analyze with an example that the optimal scheme is not feasible to be achieved in the constrained data imputation, but still our proposed solution identifies an impacted optimal scheme in SDI. Extensive experiments of our 4 data collections shows that TRIP receives on average 20% missing values and achieves the same high recall and that was reached by the retrieving based approach. This one, the diagram is represents the our main flow of our project, in which after the start of the project the data was pre-processing, and the pre-processed data are going to load into the database, and that was applied to the our trip methodology, and uncertain data were removed, and then finally we will get the result of on the result proposed in our algorithm. This one is our home frame, in which first we need to load a data set. Where selected data are printed as well as in that text area. By clicking next, there is a container frame, in which by clicking the store button the database will be by clicking store button the database will be load. Now the data were loaded into the database. By clicking view, these are the data are loaded into the database. We need to pre-process these loaded data by clicking extract. The unwanted data were being removed. And then in this the complete data set will be viewed. In first interface, in which we can view the test data set in this frame. This one represents the data interface. We need to retrieve, and the retrieved data will be stored on the database. Here at the final, recall and precision values are calculated. Thank you.